Hi, to use weather widget on the Huawei Band 9, you will need to simply press this button, which is located on the right side of the band, to open the list of apps, and here scroll to see the weather icon. Simply tap it and you'll be able to check the weather forecast according to your area and to the time. Also, swipe further to see the forecast for a few days ahead up to the next week. The app also shows sunrise and sunset times, moon phase, and tides. The only downside is that the app does not show wind speed. Also, you can see the location manually. It's determined by your phone's GPS and only shows the weather at the current location. If you would like to add the weather widget to your watch face, then let's go back to the watch face, press and hold it, and here we will need to select another watch face which includes the settings icon. So just tap this settings icon and here from this date widget switch to the weather one. So simply select it and now you have your weather widget right on your watch face. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.